So here is the questions that we're asking. Do I believe in positive affirmation? And the answer to that is yes. I've been using them in my life for as long as I can remember. To me, positive affirmations are something like mantras, and what else? Vision boards and manifesting through words. For example, if with mantras, it's more like a meditative and spiritual practice where you shift your thoughts and your emotions in a positive direction. Affirmations, positive affirmations. And then with the visual boards, it's more of a visual representation. For example, a lot of us have created vision boards. You may have created a vision board with all the things that, like your goals, your dreams, your aspirations. And then if you give that vision board attention, especially on a daily basis, you'll find that after 6 months to a year, you've achieved all of those goals and dreams that are on that vision board. And that's how it works. And then we have manifestation through words. And that is very important to your subconscious mind. Okay, so it's like manifesting things and bringing something tangible through your thoughts and attraction. The law of attraction, that's one of it. I know you guys heard of the law of attraction. So yeah, positive affirmations are very believable. They have worked in my life. And what I always say over here on this channel, to each his own. What works for one person may not work for the other. So you be the CEO of your own health, your own life. So let's watch this video.
Do positive affirmations really work? Maybe you've tried repeating phrases like, I am confident or I attract abundance and wondered, is this actually making a difference? If so, you're not alone. In this video, we'll take a two-part approach. First, we'll break down the science behind positive affirmations and how they can impact your mindset. Then, in part two, we'll dive into something fascinating: Solfeggio frequencies, specific sound frequencies that may amplify your results when paired with affirmations. Let's start with the basics. What are positive affirmations? Positive affirmations are short, uplifting statements you repeat to yourself to help reprogram your thoughts. They're often used to boost confidence, reduce stress, and cultivate a positive mindset. The idea is simple. By repeating positive statements regularly, you can train your brain to focus on the good rather than the negative. But does it actually work? The answer lies in something called neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. Simply put, your brain is constantly rewiring based on your thoughts, experiences, and behaviors. When you repeat a positive affirmation like I am capable over time, your brain begins to strengthen the pathways associated with that thought. It's like creating a mental habit. Just as exercise strengthens muscles, repetition strengthens neural pathways. But here's a critical point. Affirmations work best when they're believable and realistic. If they feel too far removed from your current reality, your brain may resist them, leading to frustration. Instead of saying something like, I am fearless when you don't feel that way, try something more achievable, like I am learning to believe in myself. This way, your mind is more likely to accept the affirmation as a possibility, making it more effective. Research shows that regular use of affirmations can improve self-esteem, reduce anxiety, and even enhance problem-solving under stress. But, and this is important, affirmations are not magic. They're most effective when paired with action. Think of affirmations as mental prep work. They help you get into the right mindset, but you still need to take real steps toward your goals. If your affirmation is I am becoming healthier, combine it with healthy habits like eating well, exercising, and getting enough sleep. That's where the real change happens. Now that we've covered affirmations, let's talk about something that can take them to the next level: Solfeggio frequencies. These are specific sound frequencies that are believed to promote healing and positive transformation. Solfeggio frequencies date back to ancient times. Monks used them in Gregorian chants because they believed these frequencies had spiritual and healing properties. Today, people use them in meditation and sound therapy. But how do they work? Let's look at a few popular frequencies. 396 Hz. This is said to help release fear and guilt, making space for personal growth. 528 Hz, known as the love frequency. It's believed to repair DNA and promote healing. 741 Hz. This frequency is linked to problem-solving and awakening intuition. Studies suggest that certain sound frequencies can influence brainwave activity, helping you reach a meditative or relaxed state more easily. When paired with affirmations, these frequencies may help deepen your mental focus and make your affirmations more powerful. For example, imagine repeating affirmations for self-love while listening to 528 Hz. The calming sound can help your brain enter a more receptive state, amplifying the emotional impact of your affirmations. So, how do you combine these two tools for maximum effect? It's simple. 1. Choose a solfeggio frequency that aligns with your goal, whether it's reducing stress, boosting confidence, or enhancing healing. 2. Create a set of affirmations that feel realistic and achievable. 3. Set aside a few minutes each day to listen to the frequency while repeating your affirmations. Or, utilize it just before going to sleep, allowing your brain to go through all the states: beta, alpha, theta, and delta. Theta is the best brainwave state for affirmations because it allows direct access to the mind. Listening to affirmations right before sleep when you're in an alpha or transitioning into theta can help deeply implant positive beliefs. Alpha is also very effective, especially during light meditation or relaxation exercises. So, do positive affirmations really work? The answer is yes, but they work best when approached with the right mindset, paired with action, and, for those who are curious, combined with solfeggio frequencies. If you've tried affirmations or solfeggio frequencies before, let me know in the comments. Did they work for you? And if you're a skeptic, I'd love to hear your thoughts too. Let's talk about it. Remember, success leaves clues and good health starts with a positive mind. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in part 2.
So, you guys, as I always say, look right down there and hit that like button. Like, comment, and subscribe. And we're going to be bringing you the most powerful affirmations on a personal level. So, stay tuned and come back. Thank you.